Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we're making this beautiful mango cleansing oil. Something I'm loving about this cleansing oil is how lightweight it is, and that's because the bulk of it is made up of quite lightweight, oily type things. So it's mostly fractionated coconut oil, but I've also included some C12 to 15 alkyl benzoate for really quite a almost dry feeling cleansing oil. It's beautiful. The color comes from the inclusion of some sea buckthorn fruit oil, and the wonderful mango scent comes from the gorgeous natural mango fragrance oil from Essential Wholesale. The cleansing ingredient is some Cromollient SCE. So Cromollient SCE is made up of molecules that have one end that loves water and one end that loves oil. So when you massage it into your face, the end that loves oil grabs all of its oily friends from around your face, and then when you rinse with water or wipe with a damp cloth, the end that loves water is like, yes, hitch a ride, and it just like zip lines off your face. So it means that the cleansing oil rinses off beautifully, very easily, and doesn't leave your skin feeling oily after you've attempted to make it less oily. If you don't have Cromollient SCE or anything else in this recipe, please go down to the description box below this video and click through to find this recipe on my blog on humblebeeandme.com, or just go to humblebeeandme.com and search for the name of the recipe. And there you'll find lots of information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, and a whole lot more. But come on, let's get started. You're going to need 4.5 grams of Cromollient SCE. And just a reminder, if you need substitutions, please go down to the description box and click through to find this post on my blog. I have provided plenty of substitution suggestions there. 4.5 grams of castor oil, 25.875 grams fractionated coconut oil, 9 grams C12 to 15 alkyl benzoate. And then in this small dish we have 0.45 grams sea buckthorn fruit oil, 0.225 grams vitamin E, and 0.45 grams natural mango fragrance oil. Isn't that funky looking? So we'll give that a stir. And that's it for the making. So now we're just going to package it. I've got this beautiful 50 milliliter frosted glass bottle from New Directions Aromatics with a little treatment pump top. We'll just pour this in here. Figured we'd do a bit of a demonstration so you can see the cleansing oil in action on my hand. So I'll kind of prime the pump and get a little bit there so you can massage it into the skin, and you can combine it with water before you apply it to your face or once it's on your skin. But you can see that it just kind of emulsifies on contact with water really nicely. And I usually like to use a damp microfiber cloth to wash my face with, or to kind of wipe it off with. But that's that. It's a fairly unimpressive visual, but it works beautifully and feels great. And that's it. You just made a beautiful mango facial cleansing oil. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please remember to go down to the description box below this video to read more about this recipe. Just click through to read the post on my blog. There's a ton of information there about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and lightly altering the recipe to make it more or less cleansing. So yeah, it's definitely worth clicking through to the blog, to humblebeeandme.com. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.